It's the HONOR X6a and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint unlocked the device successfully without any problems. Just with a simple touch to the power key button, I just unlocked the device successfully. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.